Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, and this video is hindi siya related to any Android phones or sa mga applications or anything na mga techie or something. But may open ako dito na mailed something here, and this is actually a credit card, Metrobank credit card. Okay, i-open ko lang. Alright. So, ayan. Ganda naman ng kulay. Kita ba yung pangalan? Shout out sa mga mahilig sa purple. Ayan, purple. And meron siyang Metrobank logo dito. Sa likod, andito na pala. May Metrobank Titanium card. So, obviously, this is a Titanium credit card. Okay. So, dito pala siya i-open. Okay. Let's open. At, meron pa pala sobre. Ayan. So, may sobre pa pala dito. Guntingin ko. Okay. Ayan. Oops. Covering my details. Alright. Okay, so ito yung card. It's a MasterCard. Okay. And may nakalagay na titanium dito. Okay. And of course, details yung nasa baba. And for the credit limit, hindi ko na sasabihin dito, pero mas mataas pa rin yung actually, meron akong dalawa pang credit card, RCBC and BDO. Mas mataas pa yung RCBC ko. Pero mataas ang ano nito, cash advance almost 50%. Yeah, 50% nga. Kalahati. And guys, for the annual fee, hindi nyo makikita dito sa papel, but based on my research, okay, no annual fees with a minimum 180k annual spend for the new card holders until December 31, 2024. So, mawawave yung annual fee, and the annual fee is 2,500 kapag nakapag-spend kayo ng 180k in 1 year. So, hindi binanggit dito na for life. So, meaning, every year yung gagawin yung 180k annual spend. To waive, I think. Ganon. Okay? Pero okay naman tong Metrobank Titanium credit card. So, may mga perks and points din naman na makukuha dito. So, bawi-bawi ka rin naman dito. And guys, okay din naman may mga credit cards. Basta maging responsable lang. Although, ayan, nakakatakot talaga. Minsan, dati akala ko, pangit yung may credit card. Bayad ka lang ng buo, wag lang yung minimum payment. Kailangan bayaran mo na agad yung outstanding balance para walang interest. Wala kang magiging problema. No? Kagandahan din dito for the cash advance. Ayan. So, utang-utang, lalo na sa mga emergency cases, no, kapag kailangan mong ng pera, kailangan mong umutang. So, dito ka na umutang. Lalabas ka lang, may withdraw ka lang. Hindi ka na maghanap kung sa mangungutang. Depende na nga lang kung magkano yung cash advance na pwede mong gawin. Hindi ka mabubungangaan pagka singilan. Sino ba nagsabi sa akin yun? So, yun lang guys. Inopen ko lang to. Itong credit card na to. Kung may mga tanong, questions, or something, leave a comment. And thanks for watching, and see you again to the next video.